This two-story condo, located in Sawmill Woods, is move-in condition with lots of updates for you to enjoy. Notice the freshly painted walls, beautiful new flooring, updated laminate countertops, new light fixtures, and so much more. The front of the home looks out onto the common area, offering a more private environment. Relax in the great room, opened up by its vaulted ceiling and made cozy by the glow of the wood-burning fireplace. The Galley-style kitchen offers plenty of storage space and makes it easy to host company and enjoy dinner together in the dining space. The laundry and half bath are all conveniently located on the main floor, and upstairs you'll find a spacious primary suite offering a walk-in closet. The full bathroom boasts a double sink, vanity, and will make it easy for mornings to get ready. Need more space? The loft area that's perfect for a second bedroom or home office. The association dues include roof, exterior maintenance, siding, snow removal, landscaping, tennis and basketball courts, and the pool and clubhouse. Interested in learning more? Call Kim Brayton and find your way home.